The path from working a regular job to becoming an independent entrepreneur making millions is achievable, but it requires specific steps and mindset shifts. Here's a detailed breakdown of the process. Make sure to follow each one. Do not skip a step. Step 1. Identify a millionaire skill. The first step is to determine the skill or profession that will lead to becoming a millionaire. To do this, start by researching the common occupations of millionaires. A simple Google search will reveal professions such as engineers, lawyers, entrepreneurs, and real estate agents. Next, create a sheet that lists these career options. Rank them based on personal interest on a scale of 1 to 5. Then, assess whether you already have any knowledge or skills in these fields. By analyzing both your interest level and existing competencies, you can identify the career path most aligned with your strengths and potential. Choosing a field that does not require years of additional education or certification can accelerate the process. For example, entrepreneurship may be a faster route if it aligns with your interests and current skill set. The goal is to pick a field you are genuinely interested in and committed to mastering. Step 2. Cut ties with negative influences. To achieve financial success, it is essential to stop spending time with people who hold you back. Surrounding yourself with individuals who lack ambition or discourage your goals can stifle progress. When pursuing new ventures, some friends may be dismissive, condescending, or uninterested. This indifference or negativity can invalidate your ambitions, making it harder to stay motivated. Your energy is limited, and wasting it on people who do not support your vision can hinder your progress. Instead, focus on building relationships with people who encourage growth, share your mindset, and celebrate your success. Step 3. Surround yourself with wealthy mentors. To grow into a millionaire, it is crucial to learn from those who have already achieved that level of success. Identify successful individuals in your desired field and study them. Research their habits, business strategies, and life choices. Observe how they manage their time, what they prioritize, and how they overcome challenges. The goal is to adopt their mindset and emulate their actions. Attending events, joining mastermind groups, or participating in mentorship programs can place you in the same room as successful individuals. When interacting with them, strive to be valuable and interesting. Ensure you have something meaningful to contribute, which will make you memorable and worthy of their attention. If you have watched up to this point, please ensure you like this video and hit the subscribe button so that I can share more videos like this. Step 4. Stop wasting time. Time is your most valuable asset. To achieve financial success, every moment must be used productively. Maximize downtime by learning and building skills. Listen to podcasts, watch educational YouTube videos, and read books that enhance your expertise. Use every free moment, whether driving, showering, or walking, to consume valuable information. Avoid distractions like excessive social media scrolling or binge-watching entertainment that does not add value. Instead, follow successful people on social platforms to constantly expose yourself to their knowledge and insights. Step 5. Invest in yourself, even if it means going into debt. Building wealth often requires investing in education, skills, and opportunities. Although going into debt may feel uncomfortable, strategic investments in knowledge, courses, or mentorships can accelerate growth. Spending money on valuable programs or events puts you in the same circles as successful individuals. It also forces you to take the learning process seriously, as you now have financial skin in the game. Investing in yourself expands your network and provides access to new opportunities. The knowledge and connections gained through high-value courses or masterminds can often lead to significant financial returns. Step 6. Get in the right rooms. To become a millionaire, it is essential to be in rooms where millionaires and successful entrepreneurs gather. These rooms offer opportunities for networking, collaborations, and learning. Use conferences and events as deadlines to push yourself toward personal growth. Commit to completing projects or acquiring skills before attending, so you have something valuable to discuss with others. Being prepared and valuable increases your chances of building meaningful connections with influential people. Step 7. Research key players in your industry. Before attending events or networking opportunities, research the attendees. Identify the most influential individuals and learn about their work, achievements, and interests. Knowing who will be in the room allows you to strategically plan interactions. Instead of trying to meet everyone, focus on a handful of key people who can help you achieve your goals. Look for pre-event groups, such as Facebook or WhatsApp communities, to connect with attendees beforehand. This makes it easier to form genuine connections during the event. Step 8. Master the skill of selling. Regardless of the industry, mastering sales is non-negotiable for becoming a millionaire. The wealthiest individuals all excel at selling, whether they are pitching ideas, products, or themselves. Sales skills allow you to confidently promote your business, services, and value. Learning how to communicate effectively, understand customer needs, and close deals is essential. Continuous learning in both your chosen field and sales ensures you have the skills to scale your income. Step 9. Set clear financial metrics. Becoming a millionaire is a numbers game. Set clear financial targets and break them down into daily, weekly, and monthly goals. For example, earning $2,740 per day equates to making $1 million annually. By reverse engineering this goal, you can determine how many products, services, or units you need to sell daily. Regularly review and adjust these metrics to stay on track. When obstacles arise, remain committed to hitting your daily targets. Step 10. Act as if you're still broke. Even as you start making money, maintain a mindset of financial humility. Constantly remind yourself that you are still broke. This perspective keeps you hungry, motivated, and focused on long-term growth. To stay driven, compare your current bank account balance to your vision board or future goals. This contrast reminds you that there is still much to achieve and prevents complacency. Becoming a millionaire requires adopting the right mindset, mastering high-value skills, and continuously investing in growth. Surrounding yourself with successful people, cutting out negativity, and treating time as your most valuable resource are key factors. By committing to this process, staying focused on your goals, and constantly pushing yourself beyond your comfort zone, financial success becomes inevitable. Did you find this video helpful? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. See you on the next one.